Well, hello, my students. This is a very important topic, and so is Thursday's elimination. So I thought I would try making a video. So if you want to watch this again, you can. Don't have to. But we were going to spend 2 or 3 days on this anyway. So the first thing you want to do is solve for a term that has a 1 or negative 1 in front of it. If you don't, you're going to have nasty fractions. So, if it said you have a choice of how to solve it, if this had a 4 in front of it, I wouldn't even solve it using substitution if you had a choice. You need to have a 1 or negative 1 to make this a lot easier. So I would solve for this x because it has a 1 in front of it. So I would subtract 2y. So I'd have minus 2y plus 5. Then I'm going to take this information and put it into the other equation for x. So I'm taking and forcing or finding the rule for this and forcing the other one to have the same rule, that x is minus 2 times y plus 5. So you go 9 minus 2y plus 5 minus 5y equals 22. Now this I shouldn't even have to talk about. Oh, wait a minute. I'm starting to have a vision. What could that vision be? I just don't know. I wish you could see the vision. It's beautiful. Oh. Unless you're allergic to peanut butter, then it would be awful. But other than that, it's beautiful. Anyways, here we go. So this would be minus 18y plus 45. I distributed the 9 to both terms. Then minus 5y equals 2. Now I'm going to do 2 steps here. Minus 18y minus 5y is minus 23y. And I'm also going to subtract the 45. So this would be negative 23. So get a 1 in front of this. I divide by the coefficient. So y is 1. But I'm not done. There's 2 unknowns. 2. The number that comes after 1. So I'm going to take this and put it into here or here and here. Either one of the 3. I'm going to do it here just because I feel like it. So that minus 2, 1, plus 5. So x equals 3. Now, the ones we saw yesterday and the ones we're going to see today all have a single answer, meaning there's an intersection. They cross the 2 lines because both of these form a line. Then we'll look at parallel and infinite or same line tomorrow or Friday. So let's look at this one. Now, I don't know why, but some kids have such trouble with this problem. You shouldn't, because this is already have the first part done. It's already solved for the y. So you just take this and put it in here. Oh my goodness, this is as easy as something that's easy. So distribute the 3. Then this is 5x. Subtract the 3. So divide by 5, x is 2. So y equals 2 plus 1, so y is 3. So the answer is 2, 3. Woohoo! Okay, right now, do this problem. If you want to freeze the computer while you do it, that's fine, and then I'll do it. Okay. So I'm assuming you did it. So solve this for y because the others have coefficient that's not 1 or negative 1. So we'd have y equals negative 2x plus 1. Take this, put it in for the other y. 3x minus 2 times minus 2x plus 1. equals a 5. So this would be 3x minus, or I'm sorry, plus 2 negatives is a plus. I almost made a boo-boo. Holy cow, what is that? I got Zorro in here. Sorry about that. And then minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. So I'm going to do 2 steps here. That's 7x. Add 2 to both sides. So x equals 1. Put that back in. Y equals negative 2, 1, plus 1. So y equals negative 1. Now, I haven't been officially checking them, but I'm checking them in my head, which you should do. 3 minus 2 times negative 1 would be plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Good. Okay, freeze the machine and do this one now. Okay, so I would solve for this y. So y equals minus 5x plus 3. So woohoo. Put this in for y. So we'd have 15x minus 4 times minus 5x plus 3 equals negative 1. So I'd have 15x plus 20x minus 12. So I have 30, is that 35x? Did I mess up? Plus 20x. Minus 12 equals negative 1. So add 12, so I have 35x equals 11. I think I'm okay. So subtract 5x. This is going to be one nasty answer. So plus 20 minus 20. Yeah, I guess I got it right. So x is 11 over 35. Holy cheese in a bucket. So y, you mother, excuse me, so you multiply negative 5 to the top, so it'd be negative 55 over 35 plus 3. Holy cheese, I wouldn't put something this nasty on a test. I probably wrote the problem down wrong, but hey, life is good. Simplify by 5, so negative 11 over 7 plus 3. This is 21 over 7, so this would be 10 over 7. Holy moly, mercy moly. So I subtracted 5x, put this in here, so it's plus 20 minus 12. So, wow, that was one nasty problem. Holy cheese. But I won't put something that hard. I kind of wanted to give you one with fractions, but I made it a little bit harder than I should have. This is so much fun. Oh, wait a minute. I'm having another dream. Have a good day, kids.